sir, today you have visited to the book festival. What do you like to say about the?
You see, it's an interesting thing. You see, nowadays, youngsters are particularly losing interest in reading. And they are modern forms in which information is dissipated. You are one of the modern forms of information dissipation. But then, transmission of facts are one thing, transmission of thought is another. So, books still transmit thought. And human thought is literally infinite. It is just infinite. There's nothing that is not there in human thought. Now, knowledge is excellent. It's not that it is... but where knowledge holds is where knowledge can be converted into wisdom. Now, for which, again, converting things into wisdom requires an approach to human thought throughout the centuries. The good, bad, uglies of thought that come in. So then what happens is when the whole gambit is available to you, you are able to contribute. Otherwise you are creating controversies. So when you contribute to human good is what one is looking forward to. Goa is a 100% literate state. Not all Indian states are 100% literate. So that's one advantage that the state has. And children seem to be interested in books. So that's heartening to note. And book fairs have become rare and far between everywhere. So that's the negative problem of it. So we need to have more book fairs spread in more places in our country so that our people get to improve on their thought processes also. And art, that also is an expression of what do you call it, thought, human thought, whether it's cinema, whether it is paintings. So the whole gambit will ultimately reflect other things in its totality. You can't take one thing out and say this is the only thing we will confine to, because that doesn't help. It's going to be very, very varied, and all of us have to make it part of it. I would also request you to make sure that your children and grandchildren do get into the reading habit, because that's the important thing. Then the mind expands. And there's no end to it. Nowadays, learning comes from the birth to the grave, literally till the end of your life. It's all, life itself is one learning process. So we need to keep that truth in mind. Go ahead.
Sir, which is your favorite books and which is your favorite author?
Because there are many types of books.
I won't say a favorite because I try to make myself as wide as I could possibly, and I have no favorites because in that sense everything has had an impact, and I'm quite lucky in life to be exposed to a lot of things.
So author-wise? Author-wise?
I wouldn't try to play favorites because every author has their own impact. Every poet has their own impact.
So you got transformation kids also here. So what message you give to them?
No, children are very interesting. They are pretty honest with what they are saying. One child told me that they are more interested in the bookmarks than in the book. So I suggested to them, get interested in the books also, where you can use the bookmark.
The voice for Coin.